What's up, guys? My name is Olivia, also known as Jetlag Liv, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Have you ever been inside a $1.5 million house? Me neither. Today, we are taking on the experience together. I'm currently in a $1.5 million Airbnb that I'm gonna share with you guys today. It is absolutely incredible and unlike any accommodation I've ever stayed in. So, let's get to exploring. All right, as soon as you walk in this front door, you are graced by the most stunning kitchen ever. So look at this countertop. It seats 4, but it could seat maybe 4 families of 4. It's so mega. There's a beautiful waterfall, I guess Carrara marble kind of situation for the countertop. You've got so much storage in all of these cabinets you can see on either side. An induction cooktop, and then I'm gonna do a split. Look how wide this is. You can't even reach across. Oh my gosh, look. But it's so beautiful. It's insane. The marble countertops are continued here. A hidden dishwasher. Was that running? Okay, no. And then just, of course, like, look at this. This is so beautiful. It's almost as if the tile is like aged a little bit. It's so stunning, and I know that was expensive. You've got floating shelves with the cutest little accessories. Party time, another floating shelf over here. They've got so many appliances, again, so much storage, and 2 ovens. What do you need 2 ovens for? It's so cool. Storage continues here, and then there's a little nook, kind of mudroom situation, which this, I guess I would say apartment complex does have a pool and a hot tub. So stocked here, even with towels, so thoughtful, and I love this accent baby. Behind you, switch with you guys, is this little nook kitchen table kind of thing. Super modern looking chairs, super vibe. And then of course, I don't know if you guys saw, but the floor is this beautiful like pale beechwood kind of thing, which changes when we go into the living room. So check this out. This right here is herringbone, as opposed to just the regular lay of the wood. It's so stunning. I love it so much. They've got a little peacock chair here in this nook. Just like extra steps like this, it makes it so luxe. Like, is anybody ever gonna sit there besides me doing this video? No, nobody will be sitting here ever, but it looks cool. Okay, and then guys, this is it. Check out this living room. All right, so we've got this cool centipede looking chair. Love. We've got these 2 funky, eclectic looking chairs that are super comfy. People actually do sit in these ones. And then the most comfortable sectional you'll ever experience in your life. I think it's made out of down feathers. Can we just end the video? I don't ever want to get up. Okay, so moving on. I guess we do have to film the video. Look up really quickly and you'll see the coolest Iron Man-esque lighting fixture. So fancy to me. I don't know about you guys, but I don't spend a lot of time in $1 million homes. I didn't know they made lights like this, honestly. And then they did a really cool dark accent in the indents, I guess, but by the beams. Super cool. Amazing photos up on the wall, beachy vibes. If you know anything about me, I will be trying to find these for my house. And then of course, it takes a certain confidence to pull off a mantle like this, an asymmetrical kind of vibe. What do you think, Seth?
I like it.
You love that, right? Yeah, I thought it was so cool too. It's almost giving anthropology mirror vibes, almost. And then they did that cool thing where they've got the fake candles in the fireplace, because I think that this is not a really a working fireplace, but it's so cool. And then these tiles, are you kidding me? Amazing. While we're down here, swing around here, on this luxe fancy couch and check out this amazing dining room, like more of a formal dining room. And I mean, you could just stare at it all day. It's insane, so stunning. They've got fake plants galore, which I think really warm up a space that would be cold otherwise, you know what I mean? With all the white, bright white, and blue, I think it really warms it up. But I love those. The mismatching mirrors are super cute. Another funky lighting fixture that you didn't know you needed, but now you do. And then there's a cute little outdoor space too. That's locked. I want to show you guys. This place is next to a busy road, which is kind of the only downside it has. But other than that, who cares? You know what I mean? We've got some seating outside, a beautiful banana leaf rug, my favorite. Some bohemian lighting fixtures. Again with the lights in this place. I want all of them. And then if you swing over here, there is a hammock, which is another vibey seating option. It's a little dirty right now, so I won't go on it and then dirty up the house. Okay, coming back inside, flip around. It's the moment you've been waiting for. It's time to go upstairs. A nice low-key spiral staircase sounds about right. And yet again, another gnarly lighting fixture situation. Look at this. It's so cool. It looks like a bunch of ring lights made into an ultra modern, it looks like a piece of art. It really does. But anyway, let's go check out the master, which is the piece de resistance. I don't know if that's right. It's the best part of the house. Let's go. Okay, right when you walk upstairs, you are in kind of a common area, which I didn't know you could have in an upstairs. There's another sleeping option all the way here to the left, which you can see there's like a little daybed futon situation, a stunning bookshelf with trinkets. They really styled this place to the T. Like they didn't leave anything out, anything missing. It's like Joanna Gaines came here and did this house herself without the whole like country farm kind of thing. More modern, more luxe, beachy kind of vibe. But anyway, behind me is the bathroom of your dreams. And I'm not even, doesn't matter what you want in a bathroom, this will change it and it will become this. Okay, so you open up the doors to the master suite. Not just the master bedroom, but a suite. Immediately when you walk in is the bathroom goals for life. A huge freestanding tub with bronze finishings. It's its own moment right when you walk in. And I mean, again, look at the sombrero light fixture vibes. And then as you continue to walk down, there is a dual shower head, mega shower. Like, this is the size of my closet. At home, this is the size of my closet, the shower. You've got dual vanities, each with mirrors, and another set of cool light fixtures, you guessed it. A private bathroom, I'm not sure what it's called, where it's just the toilet separate. And then, mega closet. Across the way, you'll see there's another one. So there's two closets, enough space to probably do a 5K. You've got a gorgeous king-size bed, a gas fireplace with that same accent color throughout the house. You've got literally a mini living room in your room, insanity. And then this place even has a balcony for the master. So, on a nice hot Phoenix day, you could come out here and just enjoy the heat, the sunshine, the flowers growing on this gorgeous vine. Now these are real. And it continues this way too. Check it out. Let's go back in the house. Okay, there's a couple more rooms I want to show you upstairs. Really, I honestly, like, if you click off after that bathroom, like, I get it. It's fine. You can't go any higher than that. It's just literally goals, and I blow it a kiss as I walk by. We're going back to these other bedrooms quick question. Did anybody notice this floor? It's kind of giving Domino's. I don't know if I love that. Maybe it's like a modern rich people thing that I don't understand. That's okay. Up this little set of stairs is the other bedrooms, including another king bedroom suite situation right through this way. This is where I'm staying. Right as you come up the stairs, you can go one way to the other king suite, or you can go right to the full bathroom that they have upstairs, which is one of 2 full bathrooms on this floor. 3, one of 3 full, dang, that's a lot. Okay, so if you'll look in here, this is so stunning. It's like this is like me in tile form, I feel like. I am obsessed, this is my favorite color. The pattern is so fun and eclectic. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's actually hexagon tiles that have this starburst kind of thing. So it's kind of trippy. The best thing about this being run by a super host is the touches that they offer, like the stacked towels, the native, AKA expensive shampoo, condition, body wash at Target is included in your stay, and it looks so stunning here. I absolutely love this vanity and the finishings, that brush nickel, where it's actually more gold. Through here, we've got another master bed. And I don't know if I've pointed this out, but there are tons of skylights all around the house that let in that beautiful Arizona sun every day, even if it's very early and you're not trying to get up yet, it'll still pour through. But we've got another king bed, a nice little chill area with another cool chair. And another great thing about this particular king suite is it does have an ensuite bathroom, which I personally love. Equipped with a barn door situation. You'll first walk in and you'll see the closet, which is gigantic. And then furthermore, you'll see another beautiful bathroom. You've got these remotes all around the house, and they control these wicked awesome fans, which I guess is beyond my pay grade. Oh. Check that out, I'm rich. Those fans probably cost more than my first car. Okay, here we go. We're gonna check out this other bedroom up here, which has the largest bunk beds I've ever seen. You've got 2, honestly, what do you think, queen or full? Queen full-size mattresses on this bunk bed. Did the whole thing almost just fall? Which is such a vibe, and these beds are so comfy. This wiggles more than I'd like. Did you see that? Mm-hmm. Okay, getting down. But anyway, this room is so cool. It's got the pops of red furniture that you can see in that formal dining room downstairs. Again, you've got the shiplap, accent colors. It's such a vibe. Can you help me down? Please. One last thing, when you come right up the stairs, there's even a washer and dryer in this place. In its own little room, you've got 2 stunning LG washer dryer. And then again, that marble or quartz countertop, whatever it is, it's stunning. And a textured wallpaper as the backsplash, or this accent statement wall. More floating shelves and a deep little utility sink, which is super handy. So, God, even the laundry room is nicer than my freaking room. Okay, so after you come right in, I showed you guys the kitchen and all that stuff. If you go off to the right here, there is another half bath, making the grand total of beds, baths, and square footage 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and over 3,500 square feet. Insanity! But we like it. And let me show you guys, this is the half bath. Super cute. They use the same little vanity and stunning light fixture. That's actually so cool. That's really cool. They can't continue with the beach theme. It's got everything you need and everything you don't. One last thing that blew my mind. I don't know if this is customary in like new homes Personally, I wouldn't know. This right here, this is a touchscreen thermostat. So what was it this way, Seth? You go down on this side. So if you go like this, you can, that's so cool to me. You can change the, I think what we have it at 82. It's a bit warm. Put it at 78. Sounds good. Oh wait, no, indoor 74. So that's so cool. I thought that was such a futuristic, like luxe thing to have. Again, I don't know if that's customary, but let's sit in the chair that nobody ever sits in and do a little outro moment, shall we? All right, I'd like to take a moment of this video and give a huge shout out / thank you to my Patreon family. Thank you so much, Gabby, Palmer, Jordan, and Lana, for supporting the channel and supporting me in all of the videos that I create here on the internet. I really appreciate your support and I love you guys so much, and I wouldn't be here without you, truthfully. So thank you so much. If you're interested in joining the Patreon family, you can do so at this address, or you can learn more in the description. Whatever you want to do, it's up to you. That's all I have for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this $1.5 million house tour. It's insane. I don't think I've ever been, no, I've never been in a place this nice before in my life, honestly. But I really enjoy coming to places like this that are kind of like, in my mind, they're like exclusive and luxe and all these things that I'm not accustomed to on an everyday basis. So I think it's really fun to experience these things and share with you guys. If you have any other like suggestions or places you want to see me review or tour, comment down below. Or if you find an Airbnb like, oh my God, I think Liv should do this one, send it to me. Shoot me a DM over on Instagram. But that's all I have for you in today's video. Thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.